I'm kind of nervous.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is La Flowers. How you can see, this is my first video speaking English. I just trying to make this makeup tutorial, trying to speak my second language. That it's not perfect, how you can see, but I try to speak it every day because I've been living in the United States for kind of 2.5 years, 3 years. I have experience to practice this language too because I studied in Mexico, but when I arrived here it's totally different. So I decided for this makeup tutorial recording in English because there are a lot of makeup YouTubers that they are Latina, but they try to make the challenge for making a makeup tutorial in English. So this is the video, this is the time, this is gonna be like a challenge or something like that for me. So let's get started with this makeup look. But before to start, I want to ask you that don't forget to subscribe.
You haven't seen what I'm gonna do, but anyways,
I invite you to subscribe to my channel. There's a red button below and it says subscribe or subscribing or suscribirse, and please click on the bell and you can activate all the notifications. YouTube is gonna let you know when La Flowers, that is me, it's gonna upload a new video. So let's get started with this makeup tutorial. So today's video I'm going to use the 35i Icy Fantasy palette because I've been kind of obsessed to use this palette. So far I've always shared with you one makeup look when I try to make the review for this palette, but now I'm gonna share a makeup tutorial using dark colors in this palette because how you can see this palette has a lot of pastel shades, but now I'm gonna use the darkest shade. So
let's get started.
You can see I have my skincare routine done. I have the foundation, contouring, and my eyebrows done. So if you want to know how I do all these steps, just check in the description box below, and there's a lot of makeup tutorials that you can follow me. Obviously they are all in Spanish, but anyways you can follow them. First step is just apply a concealer and all over my lids. The concealer that I applied, it was the CoverGirl True Cover by CoverGirl. It's a light concealer, but it's not too light, like a white color, like a white concealer, because we are gonna use in dark shades. So it don't matter if you wanna use a darker concealer. Okay, I start to blend it out to my fingers. You can use your fingers, a beauty blender or a sponge, and now my lids are ready for all makeup. And of course I'm gonna be using these makeup brushes too by James Charles and Morphe. I'm gonna be using this Morphe brush, is the M441, and this is a fluffy brush. And this kind of brush is especially for blending all shadows. First shade I'm gonna be applying on my lid is gonna be this gray and this purple, kind of purple or lilac shade. I want to take the excess out.
I have to be understood.
And now I'm gonna be applying this shade and all over my lid. Because if you watch my review about this amazing eyeshadow palette, all of these shades have a lot of fallout, but it don't matter. They're so pigmented, even if they are all light shades. And basically I'm gonna recreate like a smoky eyes. I'm gonna apply it little by little and just tapping color all over my lid because these shades apply better tapping and then blended it out. Remember that these take long time, so don't rush, just take your time. We usually use dark colors when we're trying to smoky eyes, so we have to be careful to use them because it could be a mess too. And if you can see, we're not gonna need a transition shade because this is gonna be our main shade that we're gonna use in. I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner too because it's gonna be a halo eye too, a smoky halo eye, or you know what I mean, okay? and then blending it out little by little. And the reason why I decided to do this makeup look is because when I did my review about this palette, I said that this palette has a lot of light shades, but it has dark shades too. So I think it's a complete palette, and that's why I want to show you that we can do a different makeup looks. Get the glam you want to go out at night, you can use this eyeshadow palette too. And this is gonna be so pretty easy makeup tutorial. Super duper easy. You know that I like to do the makeup on both eyes at the same time. Well, not at the same time, but one by one. And now I'm gonna do the same thing in my other eye. So I'm gonna keep going doing this. Now I'm gonna change my brush, and I'm gonna use the Morphe M506 brush. This is a fluffy brush, but it's smaller than the other one. And I'm gonna use the same shades, the gray and the purple or lilac dark shade. And now I'm gonna apply it on over my lower lid. I think it's not the name of this part of my eye. So we're gonna apply it over here. Oh well, I forgot to apply first on my waterline black liner. For that, I'm gonna be using my eyeliner from Huda Beauty. This is one of my favorite liners because it is really black. I'm not worried about this mess because I'm gonna blend it out with the dark eyeshadow. So we are fine so far. Smoke this area. Remember, little by little. Just apply the shade several times if you feel that it's necessary. I'm trying to keep the liner, the black liner, but if you feel that it's coming off, just reapply the eyeliner too. And just like this. I think it's gonna look good. And if there's someone who speaks English or is a native speaker watching this video, please let me know if I'm understood. Oh my god. So please let me know if you are understanding this mess. Oh god. Okay, I think it's almost ready. Now I'm gonna be using the lightest shade in this eyeshadow palette. In this one, it's a white shade, a matte shade. And now I'm gonna apply it in on my eyebrow bone. Yeah, in this area on my lid. I'm gonna apply it to highlight this part on my lid, and I'm gonna blend it out and mix it with this purple lilac gray shade. And this is just for highlight this part of my lid, but I'm gonna use, and you know that I like to use a shimmer shade and apply it here in this part of my eyebrow bone. Exactly in this part where is the arc. But we're gonna try to mix them out.
Oh my god, where's my other brush? I always missing all my things, all my stuff.
And now I'm gonna be applying this lilac shade. I'm gonna shake this out and I'm gonna apply it over here. This is gonna make a smoke effect. Just like this. We're gonna powder this makeup look using one of the shimmer shades, and I'm gonna be applying this one. Oh my gosh, you know that I fell in love with these amazing shimmer shades because every time that I swatch these shades, it's kind of magical or amazing because they look white and then turns blue, and I like it to apply it with my fingers. Look at that, god. I'm mixing both shades.
Oh my god, they're so beautiful.
Stopping over here on the center of my lid. And now I try to blend this shimmer shade, mix it between the matte shade, eyeshadow shade, and the shimmer one. This is gonna make look your makeup more professional, even if we are not professional makeup artists. Now I'm going to come back to apply this beautiful shade. I use these two shades. Now I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner. God, look at this. I love it. And I'm gonna apply the same shade over here just for making highlights.
That's why I lost all my stuff.
This eyeshadow makeup look is done, and I have a good news for you. If you don't good doing the eyeliner, you're gonna be happy to recreate this makeup look, because I'm not gonna use an eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply mascara and apply some falsies. And this is I'm gonna do it out of camera, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I'm back here, and so I decided just apply like a single falsies, single lashes. For this makeup, I decided to use these Fox Mink lashes by Ardell. This is Fox Mink Wispy lashes, and I like the way that they look because they look natural. They are easy to wearing every day, so pretty comfortable lashes, no dramatic lashes, and I think they go perfect with this makeup look. Now I'm gonna apply some highlighter. Yes, our favorite part of the makeup tutorial. And I'm gonna be using this highlighter palette. This one is from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna use these two shades. Oh, light me away. Exactly now I'm feeling how the angels have touched my skin. Now I'm gonna apply in here my Cupid's bow. I like these highlighters from Wet n Wild because they're like a holographic. Putting here on my chin and the tip of my nose and the center of my nose. You know that never is enough. Oh my god, I love it. And I'm gonna line my lips now using like a brown chocolate brown shade. I'm gonna be using this matte liquid lipstick by Stila. So natural, so nude. There you go. And now I'm gonna set all this makeup using this setting spray by Morphe. God. And now we are ready to conquer the world. Let's pose. Okay guys, this was kind of challenges for me. I hope that you have enjoyed this makeup look, this makeup tutorial, this video. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. You can check all my old videos, all of them are in Spanish, but it don't matter, you can go and check them out. Please comment below, please comment, because I would like to know how you think about this makeup tutorial, if I did it good or if I didn't so bad or average. Don't forget to follow in all my social media. In the description below you can find all the links and go there. I'm gonna be waiting for you on Facebook and Instagram, and yes, please subscribe to this little channel, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Yeah, give me the big thumbs up. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you have liked how it looks in me, because it makes me feel so hot and sexy. So thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. Se va la flowers. The flowers gone. I love you guys.
Oh my god, here's a fucking man. Shades are so fucking amazing. You see my Morphe setting brush. Now